Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Kelsey. If you're joining us for the first time, then welcome. So glad to have you. I make weekly videos all about organization, mommyhood, home decor, anything you can think of, so definitely subscribe if you aren't already. And today's video is a shop with me. I stopped at Big Lots because we have a new one right by our house. I haven't been into a Big Lots in about 15 years. It was when I was really young. I think my mom took me maybe once, but that's about it. So I really had no context for what the store was about or what they had, but I had heard that they had some cute home decor here and there, so I wanted to check it out for myself, and I was pleasantly surprised. So if you want to see a shop with me, then just keep watching. I always feel super weird going into a store and filming. I feel like somebody's gonna like stop me and be like, what are you doing? You can't film in here. So it's always like a little awkward. I made it out alive. I didn't get thrown into jail, so that's a good thing. And I did find some cute items, so I wanted to show them to you guys. I didn't get a ton of fall stuff from Big Lots because I have been like stocking up here and there at Home Goods and all the other stores. Obviously you saw in those clips that they have a lot of cute fall home decor. I really love that farmhouse fall decor right now, so if you're into that, Big Lots I feel like is a great place to check out because they did have a good selection. So anyways, I'll jump right into what I have. I also stopped at a few different stores, so I picked up some things from there, so I'll show you that as well. First things I'm going to show you from Big Lots, they are not fall related, but I did think they were super cute, so I thought you guys would like to see. If you're new to my channel, you don't know that I'm so obsessed with this mint turquoise color. It's my favorite color, and I've decorated with this color so much throughout the years in my house. But I thought this was so cute. I loved the pattern in it. These are just like containers. You can store pretty much anything you want in them. I think these will look super cute in my kitchen because this is the color scheme in there. I thought these were a pretty good price. They were $6.50, so not bad. You could store tea bags in here, coffee pods, basically whatever you can come up with or think of. And I got this one and I got the light gray one. I think these were the only two colors they had, but worked out for me because they will go really well in there. I honestly don't have a spot for these right now, but I will make room. So this was a fall item from Big Lots, and it's very simple, but I liked it. It's a candle, and it has these really pretty leaves. I was just looking for a simple fall candle for my kitchen shelf. I think this will smell so good burning in my house this fall season, and this was $6, so again, pretty affordable. I did feel like Big Lots had great prices, so if you are looking for affordable decor, that is the store for you. I picked up a little fall hand soap, and this is in the shape of an acorn. Thought it was really cute. It's like this pretty rose gold color. Getting these like mini fall hand soaps are just a great way to add a little bit of decor to your space. So this is going to be going in our bathroom on our counter, and it was only $4, so not going to break the bank or anything. And it is honey almond. I haven't even smelt it. It smells okay. It's mostly about the decor though. This is obviously not a fall decor item, but I did need a storage basket for our laundry room. This is going to go in our cabinet. I love the neutral colors, gray and white. I actually haven't checked yet if it's going to fit in the cabinet, so fingers crossed. It has these woven handles on the front and the back, so it's easy, quick to grab. Just a basic storage basket, but this was only $6, so thought that was a pretty good price compared to Home Goods. I'm guessing this basket at Home Goods would be $10, so I saved a little bit of money. So yeah, these storage baskets are just a great way to stay neat and organized. This is my favorite thing I picked up from Big Lots. I was really excited when I saw it because I think it'll go so cute in our kitchen. I loved what it says. It just says fresh baked pumpkin pies, and it was pretty affordable. It was only $14, and I liked that you could see through it. I just loved the rustic farmhouse look to it. So that's kind of the theme I'm going with in our kitchen for our fall decor. I just think it'll be super cute hanging out in our kitchen. So I only have one more item from Big Lots because I didn't get a lot while I was there, but these definitely spoke to me. I lost our measuring cups. I have no idea where they went. I think we lost them probably on the move. I needed some new ones, and these were so cute. I love the rose gold handles and of course that mint turquoise blue. I think they're really pretty. These were $6, but they're going to come in really handy this fall season when I'm wanting to bake some pumpkin muffins and pies and all that fun stuff, so definitely needed them. After I was finished with Big Lots, I hopped over to the Dollar Tree just to check out what they had for fall, and they actually had a lot of great things, so I will show you guys a few. They have a lot of great fall stems, and this one I thought was really cute. This one I liked it as well. This is very fall-esque, and I love the little pumpkin accent on there, and only $1 each, so definitely a great buy because I went to Hobby Lobby and their stems are really expensive, so if you're trying to save money or you're on a budget, these are great. I also picked up these cute gold leaf clips. I think this would be a really good DIY. I'll have to figure out what I want to do with them. But these would look pretty in a lot of different places. So they had this gold color and also a really pretty brown. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with these, but for only $1, of course, it's a great deal. I'm always really impressed with the Dollar Tree during their fall season because they come up with a lot of similar pieces to Michael's and Joann's. They had a lot of different pumpkins there. I think these little guys are going to go somewhere in my bathroom. So if you're in need of some pumpkins, go check out the Dollar Tree and the Dollar Spot at Target. The Target Dollar Spot ones are so cute, so go check out there first if you're interested. So basically those are the only items I'm going to show you right now for the Dollar Tree. I do have a bunch more that I found, so definitely stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see different fall videos this season. I stopped at a few other stores, so I thought I would show you this super cute runner I picked up. I have been looking for a macrame runner for, I don't know, probably 3 months now because I just love them. I think they're so beautiful and unique. This one is gorgeous. I love the detailing in it, and I love the tassels at the bottom when it hangs over your table. So if you don't know, Opal House was a brand that was being featured at Target, and it was a limited edition brand. I feel like they still have a lot of the pieces available, but they had a macrame runner that was super similar to this one, and I wanted it so bad, but it was sold out everywhere. I couldn't get my hands on it. I feel like I see it in everyone's Instagram, so I was just like, so bummed because I thought it would look cute in my house. But I did some searching and digging, and I found this one at World Market, and right now for the whole month of September they are running their member appreciation month, so I think you get 15% off of any purchase. So I got this for $26, I think. It's originally $30, so with the sale it comes to basically the same price as the Opal House one from Target. That one was $24.99, so I was so excited to get my hands on it, and I think it's going to be perfect for fall. I'm excited to lay this out on our dining room table and see how it turns out. I need to figure out what I'm going to do decor wise on our dining room table. I'm not sure yet, but this is a good start. I think a really easy way to decorate for fall is using the floral vases that you already have and just adding in different fall stems. So I stopped at Hobby Lobby and found some that I fell in love with. I really wasn't wanting to spend that much, but unfortunately Hobby Lobby is kind of expensive when it comes to their floral stems, but they're gorgeous. So I picked up a few and I thought I'd show you guys. I thought this one was really unique and pretty. This one was $6.99, and I think it just screams fall to me, so that's why I grabbed it. And they are having, of course they always have sales, but they're having right now 40% off all fall stems. So this came out to I think like $4. This one of course screamed my name because it's gold glitter and I just love it. I think it just adds that nice like glamorous touch to your fall decor, and this one was, I think this one was $6.99, and paired together with this I just think it's gorgeous. So really happy with that one. And then I got a fuller one for our living room. I have a vase in there. I just wasn't happy with what's in there right now, so I think this will just add some nice fullness and different textures in it. So this one was more expensive. This was $12.99, but again 40% off, so it doesn't come out to too much in the end. But I just loved all the details. I didn't want like a ton of bright orange and yellow, so this one was a little bit more muted, so I think that's going to go well in our living room. I'm just getting so into fall decor right now. I think it's so fun. Very excited for this time of year. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I picked up, and I hope you got some ideas in the shop with me. I really do think they have cute, affordable home decor, so go check out your local Big Lots if you have one. If you aren't subscribed, I would love to have you join our little community here. Alright guys, I will see you next Sunday in a Decorate With Me for fall, and also a bonus video is going up on Tuesday. It is going to be a collaboration and it's an organization video. I know you guys like organization, so definitely watch that and tell me what you think. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.